Why waste your time setting up your storage device the conventional way? In this video, we will compare two storage platforms, TrueNAS and Ubuntu Server for use in 2026. First, let's talk about TrueNAS. TrueNAS makes your life easy when it comes to storage by making it a web-based affair. Simply install TrueNAS once, access the intuitive and simple web-based interface, and create your ZFS pools. Set up your shares, whether it's SMB, NFS, ISCSI, or whatever you need. Take snapshots, make backups, and so much more. Everything through the web interface. There's a built in web based setup wizard to help you install it easily. It's entirely free and open source for the flagship True NAS Scale product line, offering professional capabilities for no money whatsoever. What makes True NAS good is its simplicity in handling your storage and data protection built into it. With ZFS file system, it protects your data using real-time checksums, automatic RAID configuration, scheduling for snapshots and replication, full disk encryption, and even synchronization to the cloud providers like Amazon S3, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Azure. It's fully fledged operating system for x86 hardware needing 8 to 16 GB RAM minimum. On the other hand, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu Server is an extremely customizable Linux based platform with some contemporary flavoring specifically for setting up your custom storage. It is installed by command line interface, configured to work by yourself using ZFS, Logical Volume Manager, X4 or XFS file systems, setting up shares by using either Samba or NFS, configuring everything by yourself with CLI commands or scripts. In order to use ZFS, you should get a native kernel module and install related utilities using apt install ZFS Utils Linux. It is free open source software with long-term support versions supporting 5 years of regular updates. Flexibility and versatility are the most important advantages of Ubuntu Server platform. You can control any aspect of it, from file system settings, file permissions, network configurations, and even run any script written in Bash and Python to automate your work. It works perfectly well with Docker, Kubernetes, and thousands of other applications that can be installed by using apt utility. Ubuntu works perfectly on any hardware platform, both on bare metal and virtualization clouds. Therefore, which is better? TrueNAS is better when it comes to ensuring high data integrity and protection. With all professional features for free, integrated data protection using ZFS, management using the web interface, and snapshot or replication options. Yet, it demands more RAM capacity, which is 8 to 16 GB, and offers less flexibility in terms of customizing host level scripts. Ubuntu Server is a champion for hardcore users who want the maximum amount of freedom, total flexibility, and ability to install any software on it and customize it. Yet, it lacks a default web interface and requires everything to be managed via command line only. Choose TrueNAS if you want simplicity and data security along with web GUI. Choose Ubuntu Server if you want total control and customizability with scripting.